This creature can instantly launch a terrifying long weapon from its own body, paralyzing prey with venom in seconds. And the most unbelievable part? Even if this creature is cut in half, two separate parts can sometimes grow into new animals. At first glance, you'd think this belongs in some sci-fi horror movie creature. But no, this is completely real. This mysterious creature is called the ribbon worm. It's one of the least known yet terrifying predators on Earth. Most species are found on the ocean floor, hiding under rocks, in mud, between coral reefs, or even deep in the sea. It may look completely harmless, but some species can grow up to 30 meters long. That's longer than a bus. And here's the weird part. Despite being so long, their bodies are incredibly thin, making them look like a living ribbon or rubber cable. But you still haven't heard the creepiest part. The ribbon worm's most mind-blowing ability is something called a proboscis, a hidden weapon. Inside the ribbon worm's body, this strange organ stays tightly coiled. The moment prey comes close, it launches this weapon out of its body at lightning speed, reaching surprisingly far distances. Some species even carry tiny knife-like or needle-shaped venomous stylets at the tip of the proboscis. It strikes the prey and injects venom. As a result, small fish, crabs, insects, or other worms become weakened before they even have a chance to escape. In a way, this might just be Earth's slimmest assassin, but it doesn't stop there. Some ribbon worms release toxic mucus or slime that can immobilize prey. Scientists have discovered toxins in certain species that may affect the nervous system, meaning this creature doesn't just hunt with force, it also uses chemical warfare. And the creepiest part? Some species wrap around their prey and slowly swallow them whole. Even though they look harmless, they are actually silent predators. Now, let's get to the most shocking fact. Some ribbon worm species have the ability to regenerate, meaning if parts of their body are damaged or cut off, they can grow those parts back. In some cases, if the body splits into two pieces, new worms can grow from those separate pieces. Just imagine, you cut an animal in half, but instead of dying, it comes back as more of itself. It sounds like something straight out of a horror movie, but in the animal kingdom, it's completely real. That's why scientists are especially interested in ribbon worms when studying regeneration. Now here's a question. What's the longest animal on Earth? You're probably thinking the blue whale. But in terms of length, some ribbon worms are believed to reach an unbelievable 55 meters. That's even longer than a blue whale, although they're extremely thin and soft-bodied, which is why most people never realize just how massive they can be. On the ocean floor, they can look like a living nightmare rope. Here's another mind-blowing fact. Ribbon worms have no bones at all, yet they move in incredibly impressive ways. Their nervous system may be simple, but they can detect vibrations and chemical signals in their surroundings, meaning they're basically a biological sensor machine. They can sense where prey is, where danger is, often through touch and chemical signals alone. And the most surprising part? Despite having all these terrifying abilities, most people on Earth have never even heard of ribbon worms. They have no sharp teeth, no terrifying face, yet somehow they hunt prey using venomous hidden weapons, regenerate their bodies, and some species may even rank among the longest animals on Earth. Sometimes nature creates creatures that look harmless, but in reality are completely alien-level bizarre. Have you ever heard of this creature before? Let me know in the comments. And stay tuned for more mysterious and unbelievable animal facts.